So I just put a hue saturation layer on, and then I modified it. So I went to hue and saturation, changed that all to white, and because it is on top of this layer, that means everything up here is affecting everything that's down below. So I just want it over my layer of text or the PDF. So I'm going to hold down the Option key, the Option key, and you'll see when I do that, a little arrow comes. I'm just going to hit that, and that means now that it's only going to affect that layer right below it. So now what we have: tactile sensation, creaky wooden floors, leather-bound volumes, knowledge undeniable, debates dared, ancient paper, priceless, obscure, long-forgotten tomes, seeking solace, sanctuary, tangible, cherished, beloved, the written word preserved.